In this video, we're going to show you how to install the temperature selector switch in your dryer. This one mounts just by having this square piece of the switch go into a square hole in the console. Now, some models will have a metal bracket that may be coming off it and one or two screws that actually physically secure it to the console. Whichever type you have is the way you'll mount it. In this one, we're just going to insert that square block into the square hole. And once it's in, we're just going to rotate the switch so the finger locks into the console, securing it in place. And now we just need to install our wires. We want to put our knob back on. So now we're just going to install our console into place. Just going to tip it back and lock in these fingers into these notches. We'll do that on both sides, and you'll feel it lock in place. So now we just need to put the back on. So with the back in place, we're just going to put our screws in. On this machine, these are 1/4 inch headed screws. Just need a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket. Yours may be held with a different type of screw head. So whichever type of screw is on yours, you'll just want to use the appropriate screwdriver for it. And we're done.